Hey guys, so I'm at my cousin's house.
Hello.
Subscribe to his YouTube channel,
Big Avery.
Big Avery. Cause how much subscribers do you have again?
9.
Yeah,
And my goal is 100.
Both of our goals are 100. So
really, our
please.
goals are 1 million, like 10 million.
Yeah, but
Come on, guys, we have to get to at least 10 million one day.
please, guys. Sorry, my hair's a mess.
And guys, we'll give you a hint on what we're doing today. This is not for y'all, guys. This is for hers.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a hint for what we're doing today.
I just did it.
What?
The noise.
Oh yeah, that.
Do y'all know what it is? Fidgets.
Yeah.
We're gonna be reviewing and just playing around with fidgets.
Yep.
And well, really, all we're gonna be doing is just talking to y'all,
Yeah.
playing with our fidget. Well, they're my fidgets. She's just over here, so we're all gonna play with them.
Yeah.
And guys,
Oh,
is that the chicken emoji?
no.
Oh, I don't care if that one gets lost.
I
But
call
I
it.
still want to keep it.
What's wrong with its eyes?
We go clean them in the sink if you want.
No.
Okay. I'm gonna clean my emojis later because
This is Avery's favorite fidget.
or my favorite fidget could be one of these Among Us poppets. My favorite Among Us poppet is either my
Avery,
camera one or the
today
other one.
somebody in my class brought 2 poppets. And they're
Today's Sunday.
I know. We went to church, dude.
Oh yeah, the dinosaur one and the octagon.
Yeah.
Yeah. I saw it in the big room.
Yeah.
They were sitting behind us.
Yeah. The boy behind me was so annoying.
Yeah, guys, there's this kid at our school. He's crazy. A lot of church. He's crazy.
Yeah.
We call him the crazy boy.
Yeah, and somebody else. And there's 2 more boys at church that's crazy. And one of those boys kept on kicking my chair.
Oh yeah, same here.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm just making all of them onto their really good side. Wait, are you on? Oh, I have the camera one to do. I already got the rainbow one and the blue one. Well, if you don't know what I'm talking about poppets. This is on the quiet side right now, but the other side actually makes noise. Damn, my infinity cube. Here, let's not use my infinity cube because sometimes these little pieces fall out.
Yeah.
Let's just put her right there. I called her because she has pink on her.
Yeah.
Guys, I've really been wanting to make a 3 a.m. video, but I'm like, it's hard to stay up till 3 a.m. because I have a habit of just. What was that?
It was a din that fell.
I just really have I just have a habit of going to sleep early because of school and milestones and all that.
Yeah.
McKenna, do you have to do milestones?
No, only when you start 3rd grade, 4th grade, 5th grade.
Oh, what do you have to do? Testing or anything?
Yeah, tests. But I'm in 2nd grade. I'm so close to having to do milestones.
Do you have to do map testing?
Yeah, I already finished all that.
Oh, I hate map testing.
And I got, you know what? I got the award from being the highest.
What? And guess what, McKenna? My goal was 215. I got 225.
Not bad.
What'd you get?
I don't know. I don't remember.
I didn't do very good on math. My goal was 215. I got 216. Well, at least I did better than my goal.
I don't know why I'm doing a TikTok dancer. I'm not even doing a video on TikTok.
Oh my god. Comment down below what happened. This sounded like something else. Oh. Ow. Oh.
Ew, Avery!
Who's the poppet?
I know. Look, see this? Oh, you can hear satisfying. Wait.
Guys, shh. ASMR.
I saw the freaking red spider outside your window, Avery.
No.
You love me. She's killing me.
Get down here, little rascal. Rat. Chicken mochi. Chicken mochi.
Here's a freaking chicken mochi. And I hate it. Oh my god. I want the sour pop. I like the sour pop.
Oh, okay, let me get it for you.
Oh. Wait. Avery.
Hey, McKenna. I need to tell you something.
What? What? What?
Okay, guys. Shh. ASMR. Hold on.
Oh.
Actually, guys, hold on. Let me fix this.
I'm killing his puppet.
Now, I'm
no,
put your camera by mine, like right here,
Okay.
so we can see each other in the cameras. I can't see myself. Now I can. Woo-hoo.
I'm killing him. Give me that back.
Don't kill it.
Did I kill this?
Don't kill it. Please stop.
Why?
Don't break it.
You are my dad.
I'll kill you. Come here, McKenna.
What?
Come here.
Why?
Come here. I just said come here. Oh, get me on the intro vision. No. I hate you. She just threw my miniature puppet. She comes back. She will die.
What? I saw something just slink out.
Guys, she just died.
I did it. Right here. Oh.
The rest of mine are at school and lost in my room.
It's her. It's her. Get her out.
It's the demon.
Get her out.
It's the demon.
Maggie said get out.
No,
You're a demon.
Maggie said get out.
no, because McKenna's in here and I'm gonna play with McKenna.
Yeah, but when she's in your room, I don't come in there.
Yeah, because you don't ask to come in there, and I was asked to come up here.
What?
Yes, I was. And you don't ask to play with us either.
Yeah, I want to.
Yeah, but you don't ask to, do you?
Yeah, because y'all just stay in
No,
your
because
room.
you don't ask to.
Not again,
She's up here
Mom.
half the time anyway.
She's actually in your room most of the time.
No, she isn't.